So guys, if you want any purchase, any domain, anything, so after domain purchase, how will be creating for the particular control panel? That mean by cPanel option. How will be create? The cPanel will be depend on the hosting. If we need by separate login for each and every domain, that is mean by shared hosting will be not possible. The option will be possible for each separate login for hosting for the particular control panel, that is only for reseller planning. So how will be creating for particular cPanel using web hosting manager? First of all, login web hosting manager. In this option call is create a new account. This account will be help to create the control panel to access the complete website will be control purpose. Now click. They're providing for what are the logins will be required. This is my previous login, remove it. So which domain you have to log in, the password strength, so backup email ID. Suppose you forget any control panel password, you can backup this email ID will be here. And what are the packages? So suppose you're creating any specific package, limited or unlimited. If you're not anything selected, there is unlimited package. Unlimited package nothing but your space. If you go for limited package, now in this option, space unlimited limited, monthly bandwidth, FTP account, email account, and maximum quota for emails. Some emails will be give the less space, like 1 GB, 2 GB, or very less space will be given. So in this condition, what are the options we have to do it? So these all will be manual space, but I'm give the unlimited space. So don't select any option will be here. After that, my cPanel will be paper internet theme and local language will be English. Suppose they into other country like China, some other countries, we can change your the panel language depend on the countries. So my will be English. Remaining will be same. Mail will be automatic. This all will be common option. Don't select any option will be only selecting for automatically. Don't remove any option for the particular existing. Here only you can give the four details for the first one, domain, username, password. You forget password, email ID. Only four details you have to give. Domain name, username. Suppose your domain will be like afdcvb.com. So username automatically will be selected. No need to selecting for username. Suppose if we want to go for another domain name, if we go for like this, adding for another value. Suppose some people will be hacking purpose, same domain name I'm not interested. You can go for adding for some other options. After that password. Password keep it on strong. The password keep it on strong nothing but we have to keep it on strong will be password like one capital letter, small letter, special character and a numeric. Like I'm showing here in this password will be strong for 78 is going to 85. So if I'm adding for one letter, it is going for 94% out of 100. So yeah, password will be matching. So once guys you are matching this one, you are writing for your anyone you will be in this. Your target password will be given by in this option. Select your package. I'm selecting unlimited. In this, everything will be ready. Now click for create. Now they're starting creating for cPanel. It will take max 1 minute or less than 1 minute. 1 minute or less than 1 minute to create the cPanel. All script will be ready to create the cPanel. And WHM main purpose to control the multiple website cPanels. That mean by here. So we click for go to cPanel. This is the particular website cPanel. This is a username afdcvb123. In this one, if you have to store any files, there is a file manager. If you want give the database will be php myadmin. If you want create any email account, it will be created by the email account will be here, and this all will be here. If you want make any website, there is a CloudFrame, SitePad, WordPress manager by Softcolors, PHP package, Perl, site software, optimize website, multi-PHP manager, multi-PHP INR editor, softcoolers app installer, setup Node.js app. These all will be making a website coders. If you're making a free website here, tourism, residency, for site here, blocks click, we all option will be there. Acquire. These all will be provided for SitePad website builder. So where we can find out here. They are totally providing for here. Particular website will be in this. Create a new website. If you go this one, if you go for themes, the total themes will be providing for 602 themes will be free. Depend on category, the themes are available. Depend on category, the themes are available. Finally, we can making website will be here. So this all will be we can learning for free. When you understand site builder, no need knowledge for into the HTML and PHP knowledge not required. This is automatically will be generated to making a website by using this control panel. So which hosting providing for this kind of future? Which future? Site builder we can making a website. Now, so the cPanel what we given, they're providing softwares and themes and script to making a website. So this is the way we have to creating cPanel and keep it on list your account will be there into the your one of the cPanel will be given by WHM web hosting manager. This is a platform we have to log in for WHM and creating cPanel. Each website will be separate login and password. This is only valid for reseller hosting persons. This is the way we have to creating for cPanel using WHM.